Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this phone. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recorder, which for me is located as the last icon right over here. And when you find it, you can either tap on it and start recording by, well, the settings that are set by default, or you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize it a little bit. So we have sound, which will allow you to set what sound it will be recording. So you have a no sound, media, or media and microphone. Now, when you're going with the last option, the media and microphone, I do recommend you to use headphones, because when you select that media and microphone are being recorded, it will record both of them separately, but because the phone will be making the noise as well, whatever it's recording, microphone will be picking it up and it will be recording it in like a echo effect, which is not very desirable. Then we have the quality, so we have 1080p, 720 and 480. Now I would suggest you to go for 1080p. If you have to, then maybe drop it to 720, although I would discourage that, and 480p should not even exist in my opinion here. It's just such a low resolution that at this day and age it just kind of obsolete. And then below that we have the selfie video size. So this circle will represent the actual circle size on the screen for the whatever the camera will be seeing. And you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want. Now, once you have set it up here, everything, you can simply leave and then tap on the toggle. Now it will ask you for a bunch of permissions, and I believe it also brings up the same settings quickly once more. So while using the app, let's allow, yep, and there we go. So we have the record sound, so media, sound, media, and mic. I'll just start recording here. As you can see, it starts the countdown, and now it's recording. So whatever I will do right now will be recorded. And in here we also have a couple toggles. So for instance, we have a pencil, which will allow us to just start writing on the screen. Then below that, or next to it, we have the camera. As you can see, there is the camera feed, which you can also move around. And then we have also pause option, which basically allows you to pause the recording, open up some kind of app, and then resume it as though no time has passed. So for instance, if you're in like, I don't know, like recording games, you could start recording basically whatever you're starting. Then when you have a load screen, you can pause the recording, wait for the load screen to pass, and then immediately start recording after it has fully loaded. And on the video, it will just look seamlessly as though you basically had no load screen. So because right now it's paused, I'm gonna, for instance, open up something like messages right here. Let's go into contacts. Let's also bring up this. And now if I tap on the circle to start recording again, it immediately goes to just seeing this. Okay, so from there, the last option is the stop option, and this will simply save the recording, which can be found in your photo gallery. So if we go into here, you can see that there's the recording. Let's play the video, and it is right now playing. And as you can see, there was the cut to go immediately into the messages. Now that being said, this is basically how you would record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.